Hi everybody, and welcome back to the final instalment of the canned potato challenge. This is the pastry that's left over. Now it is puff pastry and it has been squished together so its layers will have absolutely been destroyed. It's dried out a bit, but I'm still going to use it. Looks like eggshells on there, doesn't it? I'm going to make us 2 apple turnovers to have with some custard for lunch. I know we eat very strangely, but it's what fills us up. It's nice and cheap. I'm expecting this pastry to have dried out like this because it's being thoroughly wrapped up. So let's just do one at a time. Will that do as a shape? That will roughly do as a shape. So this is 3 cooking apples that were free with some brown sugar, sultanas and almonds to try and not make it quite so sloppy. I have a feeling this might explode in the air fryer, but we shall see. Get some more flour on my fingers. I think as long as I turn them over, they might be all right. Put that one to one side a moment. It's very soft and squidgy. Wow, it could burst out all over the place. Now let's just lift these up into the air fryer. Right, and they are done. That was done at 195 on bake for 12 minutes. So we'll look at a close-up one. Yum yum. Right, we're going to have those with custard. Now this is not creme anglaise custard as in made with milk and eggs. This is Bird's custard, apparently invented by Mr. Bird because his wife was either dairy or egg intolerant and still wanted to enjoy custard. So this is made with corn flour and some basic colouring. I only need to make half a pint, so that will be 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I've already got some custard powder, which once it's open goes in here. Slightly rounded tablespoon of that. And use up the milk from, let's change that over. A bit quieter tool. So that was the milk left over from brushing the top of the pasties with. And just stir this around. It's called slaking. Lovely name. Don't exactly know what it means, but that's what it's called. And we're going to make this up to 1/2 pint. And we always make our custard in the microwave because it is so much quicker. So that's going to go on full power about 3 minutes. And we'll see where we're at after 3 minutes. This is quite thick. You can add, it took just under 3 minutes and it was stirred twice during cooking process. We like our custard quite thick. I've also just warmed up the remaining, filling that we didn't use. So there you have it, 2 apple turnovers using the last of the pastry, some free apples, a little bit of stuff out of our store cupboard, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a couple of tablespoons of sultanas, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, which didn't need to go in, but I didn't want the pies to burst. There was enough filling there to make 2 of these turnovers, plus have a spoonful left over. 1/2 pint of custard divided between the 2 of us, and I will put the costings up at the end of the video once I've worked it all out. So I hope you enjoyed that. As you can see, that is going to fill us up, and this is our lunch. See you soon. Bye.